Hey friends, welcome to the House of B Fun Files. Do you like the Dance and Dodge Brain Break? Do you want to know how to build your very own dance pad for Dance and Dodge? Well, here at the Fun Files, I can show you. Here are the materials you will need. 1 cardboard box, 1 pair of scissors, 1 tape measure, 4 sheets of construction paper, glue or tape, colored pencils and markers, and decoration materials. Now, here's how to create your very own Dance and Dodge dance pad. First, with an adult's help, measure and cut your cardboard into a 4 feet by 4 feet square. Next, glue or tape the different colors of construction paper to your dance board like so. You should have one on the top, bottom, left, and right side of the board. Next, draw arrows on each piece of paper on the board pointing in all directions. Now, it's time to decorate. You can use colors, paint, stickers, or whatever other materials you would like to make your board perfect for you. If you would like your board to be featured on a Dance and Dodge video, take a picture of your board and with your parents' permission and supervision, email the picture to houseofb2023@gmail.com with your name. Enjoy your new dance board and remember to like and subscribe to our channel.